This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the minimal essentials so you can code immediately. Install VS Code and add the language extension you need because it provides linting, IntelliSense, and formatting. Once done, open your project folder. Workspaces keep setting scope to projects. Then open the integrated terminal and initialize Git if you plan to track changes. Make sure to enable autosave or configure a save shortcut, so file changes trigger formatters and linters right away. Now you'll build the environment that makes coding efficient. Create your entry file and a README describing how to run the app. This keeps execution consistent. Install the language server extension and add the debugger extension. These provide real-time errors and breakpoints. Configure launch JSON so you can run and step through code with a single key. Also add tasks JSON to automate builds or tests. These steps streamline development and reduce context switching as you implement features. Finish by running, iterating, and making sure your workflow is reproducible. Use the Run panel to start or debug the app, step through code with breakpoints, and inspect variables to find logic errors. Commit and push changes frequently, and enable settings sync so your theme, extensions, and key bindings follow you. If something goes wrong, open the Problems panel and the output logs to see errors. Quick tip: if an extension breaks features, disable it temporarily and restart VS Code to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.